Okay, so today we are doing something super fun, and of course it is about my hair because this ponytail looks kind of pathetic, as I would say. So my hair is gonna pass from this little tiny ponytail with barely any hair to this, a full blown ponytail, either sleek or curly, which is super amazing because I received this from Insert Name Here, and I'm so excited to be trying them out. So thank you so much to Insert Name Here for sending me these products. We've got the two little ponytails. So we've got the Lola in ash brown, and we also have the other one in Jordynn in ash brown as well. So I'm going to be showing you guys both of these. I'm just going to be also some timestamps down below, and let's get into it right away. I have my ponytail up. It has to be a very, very high ponytail, which I did just before doing my makeup, and I decided to lay down my edges so it would look just a little bit nicer because these flyaways are just crazy. My hairline looks better. So that's one thing that I like to do before I do anything else. And then after that, usually I would take for the ponytail either a really big scrunchie, but like at this moment I really don't know where it is. So you can either do a ponytail like this before applying the extension ponytail, or you can do a little bun. So you do a little bun, cutesy high bun, just like that. I know it sounds it looks kind of crazy. Actually, it's not that bad, but I mean, okay. So I'm gonna start with the Lola, which this one is $49 USD. It comes at the top with a little sample. So you just check this one at the top first to check if it matches with your hair, which it matches quite well. And then I just keep it right there. I put it back into its little pocket. And I love the packaging actually because it's really easy to put it back, for example, in your closet, you just hang it there, you have the little net and everything. And this one came with a little scrunchie in there. This one is really nice for everyday use. I don't use it personally to put my hair up with it before because my hair is so sleek and straight that the ponytail will actually fall a bit. So just being honest with you guys, but this scrunchie is just very cute and I absolutely love the color that it comes in it. So I've been using this one quite a lot. So that's why I decided to put a little elastic to keep it really, really well. One thing that is nice with these is that it's really easy to maintain. So before I even decide to put it on, I'm going to put a little brush and then I'm going to brush it. And it looks like new. Literally the same thing. Just, it was kind of messy and now it's not messy anymore. The hair, like it looks really good. It is synthetic hair, but it looks very, very natural even when you put it in your hair. So that's one thing that you always want to look for when you are looking for an extension or like, a wig or something. And these are absolutely amazing. They feel super good, super nice, and they really match my hair, especially these, like at the bottom. We'll take a look at the ponytail. It is really easy. It is a Velcro, and then you go in here and there's a little clip. So then you would clip it like this into here, the part here. So I'm gonna be putting this. It takes not a long time, which I love because when you have a bad hair day, it is there for you. And I always have bad hair days because my hair get dirty so quickly. So I just pop it in there. It is already popped. I already look so much better though. I'm just like, oh my God. And then I put it up. Usually I would put my hair down for this. And then I go and I put it around. And then you put it around. And you go around. And I'm not looking into a mirror at the moment. I'm just putting it right there. I have the monitor in front of me, but that is it. There's nothing else. I don't even know if it looks good. Girl, looks good. You see, you don't even need a mirror. You just pop it in and that's it. That's how easy it is. And the other thing that was really nice is that it came with 2 bobby pins, but I kind of lost them. So I have my pack of bobby pins that I'm going to be using. And then I would brush it. And that is it. Look at that hair though. Like, This is really up, but I really like it. It makes me feel myself. You guys saw I had this ponytail a couple of times in my videos, and I actually really like it. I wore it also all day long. I did a bunch of things. One day I went to buy rocks for the backyard, and then I had this and I was just carrying everything, lifting heavy things, and it was just staying on my head all day long. It is not uncomfortable. And one thing that I recommend you guys is that to put your bun or your high ponytail before applying this really kind of like at the front and, you know, really, really high, because if you put it a little bit too much in the back like I did the first time, then it's gonna pull back because there's some weight. It's not too heavy, but if it's at the back, you will feel it in the back of your head right there. But that's what it looks like. It is so beautiful. Like, what do you guys think about that? Like, this is crazy to me. Like, I never really had hair in my life, and now I have so much hair. It is insane. And it makes me feel even more like, girl, you're feeling yourself a little bit, you know? So this one I highly recommend, to be honest. It is so good. It's an everyday ponytail, and I like that it's not too straight, so then you can, you know, turn it. It's, you know, like vibing and then contouring yourself around your head, and it doesn't like go too much in the front. You can leave it in the back. That's what it looks like. So that is it for this one. I really love this one. I've been wearing this one way more than the other one just because I have straight hair, and when I want to leave my hair down in a ponytail, then it really blends really well with my natural hair, and you don't really see the difference. You don't see anything weird happening. So that's one thing that I absolutely love. And then I'll show you how I remove it. So I remove the little bobby pins. 2-3 is enough usually to hold it, and then you would go around after your hard day and your whole day wearing this incredible ponytail, and then you just pop it right off and your bun is still there. You see, guys, it stays there. It's so easy, and then it just stays there. Of course, I highly recommend you brushing your hair, brushing your, you know, extension, your ponytail or your wigs, literally before and after and during the day as well, so there's no knots. It's very easy to maintain. You put it back into its pocket, its little package, and it just lasts really, really long. The other thing is, if you want to style it, they were saying on the website that you can, but they will lose its original shape if you use any heat in them. So I would just recommend you, you know, not touching it too much, because it's going to lose its really wavy shape that you see in here. And then this one is more like, you know, curly because it goes all around. So it doesn't look kind of weird. All right, and it is back in its little pouch with the receipt. But yeah, so this one is really amazing, and then we'll pass to the next one. This one is the Jordynn in Ash Brown. If you open me, I am yours forever. Again, the packaging is just amazing, and I want to show you guys in the package that it comes into the mail. I think it's so cute. Like, this is loading. This is what it comes in, and it's also biodegradable, which I forgot to mention that. So it's really good. I love that it's biodegradable, so if you throw it out, it's not gonna like damage anything in the in the nature and everything. So that's a really good addition. So this one in the Jordynn, it is also $49 USD, and I feel like it's a very, very affordable price for a ponytail considering the amount of time that you can wear it. That is just crazy to me. You can either like, you can do like a braid in it, you can do anything, and it's gonna, you know, keep its original shape. If you put heat, like I said, it's gonna go away. So I don't put any heat. Just like in my hair, I barely put any heat. And this one, I still have the little thing. So this one is a little bit more curly. As you can see, there's curls in there. And I love to have curly hair sometimes. I never really saw myself with curly hair because my hair doesn't hold it. So this is just perfect for me. And before I do that, I'm going to be brushing it out. And it doesn't lose its shape. So I brush it and it keeps its shape. And it just becomes a little bit more sleek, you know. Oh, and another thing that I noticed, sometimes if you pull too hard on it, there might be some shedding from the ponytail, but there's not that much. Like, I might have lost like a hair or two in the like 10 times that I wore it. So it doesn't really shed anything. And then this one is black inside. It is not like burgundy. And then you have the little clip that goes, the little clip. Don't focus on my face. We're gonna put it in front of you guys, just like that. And this one is lighter than the other one. So the Lola one is super not heavy, but you can definitely feel more weight than this one. Sometimes it gets stuck in the hair. All right, secured. And then we just go and like this and like so. All right, and this one is more curly, like you can see. It is so cute and curly. So this is the Jordynn one, and I really like it actually. But this one, I like to put it usually a little bit lower than the other one. Since this one is lighter, I can put it lower, so I don't have to put it right at the top of my head right here. I can really like bring it a little bit more back, and it just looks really, really good. So what do you guys think about this one? Which one is your favorite? I would love to know which one is your favorite between the Jordynn, which is this one, and between the Lola, which is the straight one. I definitely love the straight one and this one as well. It gives me such different vibes. Sometimes I'm like wavy goddess, and then the other one is more like, I feel like 90s vibe, and it's really amazing. Anyways, it makes me feel myself. I love it, especially if you don't have a lot of hair or if you have shorter hair. This is going to be great for you to have a ponytail, and ponytail is always good on a bad hair day. Like today is a bad hair day. I put smoothing edge glue, gel, because my hair, if I don't wash it every day, it just becomes kind of like weird. But anyways, this is amazing. I love it. And also I love these so much. So I actually have a code for you guys. This is not an affiliate link whatsoever. I'm not getting any commission from this, but it is a 15% off of your purchase if you buy anything. And it is with the code Roxanne, ROXANNE. I really hope that you'll enjoy all of these ponytails, wigs, anything, but these are very high quality. I always, when I receive things, I just want to tell you guys that it is always 100% my honest opinion, and I didn't get paid for this review. I just received the product and I'm sharing with you my experience. And having these ponytails definitely, like, it increases my confidence so much, because I was always, conscious about my ponytail being so little tiny and like a rat tail almost, like that's how I see it. I know it's kind of crazy, but this really, it brings me to another level of like, I love it. I love it. Anyways, if you liked it, make sure to like the video and to comment down below what you think about these ponytails. Which one is your favorite? Would you like to buy a ponytail like this? What do you think about extensions, ponytails, wigs, etc.? I would love to know. And also consider subscribing for 5 beautiful videos a week, Monday through Friday now, because we change our schedule again. And this is just going to be amazing. So I really hope that you like all the content that I'm going to be posting. And also, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. And stay subscribed to my channel. It really means the world to me. I love you guys so much. And I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys.